Hello, everyone. So, for week 4, we will be talking about chapter 2, the business vision and mission. In this lesson, you students should be able to understand what vision and mission statements are and their roles. You should recognize the components of these statements. You should also see how they help in strategic management. And most of all, most importantly, you should be able to create an effective vision and mission statements. Magagamit nyo to in the future. Lalo na kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng subjects like entrepreneurship o kaya pag nagkaroon kayo ng feasibility study, and most of all kapag nagtrabaho na kayo or nag-build na kayo ng sarili ninyong business. So, pag-usapan naman natin, what is a vision statement? A vision statement describe what a company wants to become in the future. Take note, in the future. It is like a big dream or goal that guides where the company is headed. Sabi po nila, a good vision statement reflects where are we going and why. Ano ba yung goal natin or big dream natin para sa company? For example, ikaw ay gusto mo magkaroon ng business. Ano ba yung pinakang dream goal mo para do sa business mo, para sa restaurant mo? Sabihin na nating mga clothing line kasi yun yung binigay ninyong business no nakaraang activity. May mga banana chips, may banana fries, may clothing line, ano pa ba, may tote bags. So, ano yung future plan ninyo? Gusto nyo bang mag-expand internationally? So, pag vision, dapat pang malakihan siya, no? Ano ba ang purpose niya? It gives a direction and motivates people by showing what the company aims to achieve long term. So, take note ha, long term. So, mga minimum net siguro nito is 5 to 10 years. Ano? So, let's have an example here. Ano ba ang vision ni Nike? To remain the most authentic, connected, and distinctive brand. So, kinulang siya ng D. Brand po yan. Kung titingnan mo, simple lang siya, no? Pero, to remain the most, ibig sabihin, pinaka. And to be number one, ano yan? It is a continuous effort to be number one. Ano? Now, I have here some examples of vision statement. We have first, Amazon. So, sa mga hindi familiar, para siyang international na Shopee or Lazada. Anywhere in the world actually, ang alam ko is available si Amazon. So, their vision is to be the Earth's most customer-centric company where customers can find and discover anything they might want to buy online at the lowest possible price. So, kung mapapansin mo is pangmalawakan ang vision ni Amazon. Anything daw na maisipan mo is nahahanap mo do sa website nila. Next, we have Pepsi Corporation. So, their vision is to be the global leaders in convenient foods and beverages by winning with purpose. So, medyo sinama nila doon yung values nila, no? They are winning, pero with purpose. Ano po? Next, we have Amnesty International. It is a non-profit organization. This is a human rights organization, and their vision is a world in which every person enjoys all of the human rights enshrined in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and other international human rights standards. So, ang nila is human rights or karapatang pantao para sa lahat. Last, we have IKEA. So, ang vision po ni IKEA is to create a better everyday life for many people. let us talk about what is a mission statement. A mission statement explains what the company is doing right now. So, kanina dun sa vision in the future, dito naman sa mission statement, right now. So, it tells people what the company's purpose is and what it is trying to accomplish at present. So, magkaroon man ito ng goal, siguro maximum na yung mga 3 to 5 years. Kasi mga short-term goals lang ito, And sabi po nila, a good mission statement reflects who are we, what we do, and why are we here. So, tandaan nyo po yung word na who are we, yung phrase of who are we, what we do, and why are we here. And most of all, kanina po, sinasabi sa mission or sa vision statement, ano yung dream, ano yung long-term goal. Pero pagdating naman po sa mission statement, dapat po ina-answer niya yung question na how. Ano yung gagawin mo or paano yung everyday goal mo na gagawin mo para ma-achieve mo yung iyong vision or long-term goal. So, ano ba yung purpose niya? It helps people to understand the company's current goals and how it serves customers. So, pag-isipan nyo na ha, yung mga business ninyo. For example, yung tote bag, paano ba siya nakakatulong sa mga tao araw-araw? Ano ba yung product ko? Ano ba yung dapat gawin ko kung ang goal ko is maging international, ano yung dapat ginagawa ko araw-araw or ano dapat yung tina-target ko araw-araw para marating yung aking long-term goal or yung vision ko. So we have an example here, the Starbucks. So ang mission statement ng Starbucks is with every cup, with every conversation, with every community, we nurture the limitless possibilities of human connection. So, tingnan nyo ha, na-answer po yung tanong na how. So, sa pamamagitan ng every cup, every conversation, every community, na-nurture daw nila, or yun ha, how do we do it? Na-nurture nila yung limitless possibilities of human connection. So, meron tayong mga examples pa dito, So, we have the Bristol Myers Squibb Company. It is a pharmaceuticals company. So, their mission statement is to discover, develop, and deliver innovative medicines that help patients prevail over serious diseases. So, again, na-answer yung how. Ano yung ginagawa nila and how do they serve people? How do they achieve their vision? Another one, we have Walgreens Drugstore. Champion the health and well-being of every community in America. We now have Nike also to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. Last, we have the Dow Chemical Company, become the most innovative, customer-centric, inclusive, and sustainable material science company in the world. So now, how do you create a mission statement? The first step in creating a vision statement is to identify your organization's unique selling proposition o yung sinasabi nating USP or pwede nating tawaging winning idea. This is what makes your organization stand out from its competitors and why customers choose your business over others. Pwede tayong gumamit ng mga tools like si SWOT analysis. I'm sure alam nyo na yan. So, yung sinasabi ko rin kaninang si USP analysis or pwede natin gamitin yung competence analysis. Lahat po yan ituturo ko sa inyo in the future. Step 2, napakadali lang, is to clarify your goals. Let's have an example here. Meron tayong example, si Farm Fresh Produce na company. Ang winning idea niya is providing farm freshness sa mga tao. So, sabihin na natin ang kanyang product is fresh tomatoes. Paano ba, sabihin na natin yung goal niya is to provide fresh tomatoes every day sa mga tao. Ano ba ang meron sa kanya? What makes his company unique kumpara sa iba? What makes him unique is the freshness and customer satisfaction na nabibigay niya. From there, we can make a mission statement. Again, it must answer the question how. So let's see ha. To be the number one produce store in main town by selling highest quality freshest farm produce directly from farm to customer with high customer satisfaction. So, makikita mo yung ano niya, no? Nandun pa rin yung winning idea niya and at the same time, nandun pa rin yung mga points that made the company unique. And most of all, it answered the question, how? Pero what if hindi naman talaga siya company? Pwede siyang gamitin kung halimbawa, employee ka pa lang. Example, we have here Carl's team. So, ano ba yung ginagawa ni Carl? He is streamlining the organization's internal databases so that the entire system runs smoothly without any problem. So, tanda natin yung run smoothly without any problems. Ano yung pwedeng mission statement niya doon? Our team's goal is to streamline our organization's database management system within 12 months. We will develop a new system that is easy to use and reduces frequency of user errors. So, internal ano lang siya. Pero, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, pag mission statement, mga short-term goals lang siya. So, pasok siya dun sa, kasi ang sabi niya dito, within 12 months. So, ito yung mga short-term goals na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Ano po? Now, how do you develop or create naman a vision statement? First of all, you must find the human value in your work. Start by identifying the human value of your organization's mission. Consider how your organization improves people's lives and make the world better. So, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, di ba, medyo global ang dating kapag mga vision statement na ano po. Number two, you have to distill it into values. Identify what your organization, customer, and shareholders value the most about achieving the mission. These values might include excellence, integrity, teamwork, and others. If you're unsure, consult with colleagues and team members to identify these values. So dito po, 'di ba? Ano 'yan? Mission, vision, and values. So minsan ginagawan pa nila ng mga ano 'yan, yung mga acronym. So mag-reflect din kayo. Ano ba yung values no aming company? Kami ba ay mapapagkatiwalaan? Kami ba ay honest? Kami ba ay customer-oriented? Kami ba ay goal-focused? So, yan yung mga example ng values. Ano? And last, you need to combine your mission with your values. You should merge your vision with your values to create a vision statement that is broad, timeless, inspirational. This statement should explain why the people in your organization do what they do. Example ulit, si Farm Fresh. Values identified freshness, healthiness, tastiness, localness. So, ano yung pwede niya, vision statement? We encourage the families of Main Town to live happier and healthier lives by producing the freshest, tastiest, and most nutritious local produce. To naman tayo again sa Carl's team. So, ang mga values niya is challenge, dependability, and teamwork. So, ano yung pwede niyang vision statement? We will challenge our skills and abilities and create a database system that's strong, dependable, intuitive, allowing our colleagues to work quickly and effortlessly. So, what are the mission statement component source? Ano po ba yung mga dapat nating isipin kapag gumagawa tayo ng mission statement? Number one, customers. Sino ba ang customers ng firm? Para kanino ba yung mga product? Yan ba ay for students? Yan ba ay for everyone? Yan po ba ay for working person? For children? Next, kayo po ba ay nag-o-offer ng product or ng service? Kailangan din nating isipin yung market. Geographically, saan ka ba nagko-compete? Sa probinsya ba? Or sa syudad? O baka naman international? Ikaw ba ay local lang? Kailangan mo rin pong isipin yung technology. Ikaw po ba ay medyo nakakasunod-sunod, medyo updated, or traditional technology ka? Also, yung concern for survival, growth, and profitability. Committed ba yung firm mo para mag-grow? Or mas nakafocus ka on sustainability? So, ano ba yung concern mo? Next is the philosophy. Ano ang beliefs or values, aspiration, and ethical priorities ng firm mo? Seven is self-concept. Ano yung distinctive competence or major competitive advantage mo kumpara sa mga kalaban? 8. Concern for public image. Is the firm responsive to social, community, and environmental concerns? O medyo aloof ba tayo? Last is concern for your employees. So, yung employees mo ba, are they considered as an asset? So, yan po yung mga iniisip or mga kailangan or pwede mong ilagay sa mission statement. Now, para po sa inyong activity, gagawa po kayo ng mission, vision, and values ng inyong company. Diba po, gumawa na kayo ng mga business ninyo? So, gagawa niyo po sila ng mission, vision, and values. So, kailan po ang deadline? Yung nakaraang activity, medyo nagkagulo tayo. Kasi po, hindi naman po live itong recording. So, pag sinabi ko next week, tapos napanood, medyo late na. Next week pa rin. So, ngayon, magbibigay ako ng exact date po sa September 2, Monday. Doon po ang ating deadline, ha? Mission, vision, and values. So, sana po may natutunan kayo today and thank you.